Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, August 27th. Already seeing some showers and thunderstorms out there this morning, primarily up in the Central Mountains, Magic Valley, South Hills area. Those will continue throughout the day. We'll see best coverage later part of today, this afternoon, early evening hours, with some drier conditions returning for Monday. We're going to be looking at a cold front moving in on Tuesday, some widespread breezy winds, as well as some showers and thunderstorms further north. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected to continue throughout the day today. We'll see those stronger storms, just like we saw yesterday, with capable of gusts greater than 35 miles an hour, some small hail up to about half-inch to quarter-inch size, and locally heavy rain with some of these stronger cells. A cold front on Tuesday is going to help knock those temperatures down and bring some widespread breezy winds. We may see some isolated showers and storms again further north up in the Central Mountains and along the Montana Divide, but other than that, should be a mostly dry cold front further south. A midweek cool down, we'll see afternoon highs drop back from the 80s and 90s back into the upper 60s to low 80s for your Wednesday. We'll see some isolated showers and storms returning starting Friday with a gradual warming trend as a result. Satellite for you this morning, mostly clear skies out there. Still seeing some showers and thunderstorms generally along this boundary, working through the Central Mountains down through Chalice, Stanley, through the Magic Valley this morning. Also continue to lift northeast throughout the day. We'll continue to see active weather continuing later part of this morning through the afternoon hours, ahead of quieter and drier weather returning overnight. Quick look at radar this morning. You can see a band that worked through Stanley area this morning, bringing about 15 to 30 hundredths of rain up towards Stanley. That'll continue to work into the northern parts of the Central Mountains, but we are continuing to see some showers and storms firing off in the Magic Valley this morning. A little bit of thunder, small hail, gusty wind potential already out there this morning, but again, those will increase as we head later into the day. Weather's got like for your next 5 days. Main concerns today and tomorrow to center around some showers and thunderstorms, especially today region-wide. Those will continue into Monday, just primarily in the eastern highlands, upper Snake Plain area. But for Tuesday, we're going to see some widespread breezy winds, showers and thunderstorms primarily further north of the Snake Plain, with some lingering breeziness into Wednesday. Thunderstorm recap from yesterday. So it was a fairly active day. We saw cloud to ground lightning strikes in every county of our forecast area, just outside of Bannock County. So at least a little bit of a hole in the map there. But other than that, we saw some great reports and up to quarter-inch hail in some of these cells. Gusts greater than 50 miles an hour. Locally heavy rain pushing about a half-inch to an inch in some places. So we got lots of great reports from yesterday. Lots of double rainbows out there and some great photos. So we appreciate these reports that you can send our way. Temperatures today start off the morning in the 40s, 50s to low 60s. We'll see afternoon highs just about where we were yesterday in the 80s and 90s. The coldest areas hanging on to those mid to upper 70s. Storm prediction center outlook for today shows our entire area just under our general risk for some thunderstorms, breaking those down into probabilities for you. So at least in the National Belinda models, generally going to be favoring further north and east as you go. Lesser chances out towards Glen Ferry and out towards western Magic Valley and Treasure Valley. But on the HRF as well, again, seeing some widespread chances, generally about a 50 to 80% chance across all of southeast Idaho. Again, just an emphasis on the central mountains and again further north and east as you go into Wyoming. Temperatures for your Monday. So we're looking at dry conditions rebounding for your Monday outside of some isolated activity further north and east. Start off your Monday in the 40s and 50s, low 60s in the Magic Valley. With afternoon highs slightly warmer, we're going to keep that warming trend going up into Tuesday with afternoon highs in the upper 70s to low 90s. Storm prediction center outlook for your Monday. Again, just keeping some chance for some isolated showers and storms along the Montana Divide, along the Wyoming border as well, but shouldn't be fairly dry as you head further west. Temperatures on Tuesday start out the morning. This will be one of our warmer days of the week, at least especially during the morning hours. Overnight lows Monday night into Tuesday start off the day in the 40s, 50s to mid 60s, with afternoon highs on Tuesday in the 80s to mid 90s. Storm prediction center outlook for Tuesday. So this is day 3 outlook here. We're going to see some showers and thunderstorms, generally confined up in the central mountains, generally north of Boise, Haley, up towards that area, with a marginal risk for some severe thunderstorms across portions of Lemhi County north into the Panhandle. Wind gusts on Tuesday, again, we're seeing that widespread breezy wind gust, generally about 30 to 40 miles an hour. Some of that could be more locally enhanced in that 40 to 50 mile an hour range, and we keep an eye on that for you as we head into Tuesday, and most of these winds will generally be out of the west and northwest. Temperatures for Wednesday, so noticeably cooler. We'll drop temperatures fairly considerably in some places, almost by 20 degrees in portions of the Magic Valley. But overnight lows, at least Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, going to be in the 30s, 40s to low 50s across the board, with afternoon highs, 60s and 70s, low 80s around the Cache Valley and Malad City area. Wind gusts on Wednesday, just some lingering breeziness ushering in that colder air behind. We'll see some broad northerly, kind of westerly winds throughout the day on Wednesday, gently gusts about 20 to 35 miles an hour. Temperatures for your Thursday, another cool morning in the 30s, 40s, and low 50s, with afternoon highs in the 60s and 70s. A little bit better coverage of those low 80s starting to work back in. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a great Sunday.